To get Google Stitch API key, you can see I have logged into Stitch. In the top right corner, click on your profile icon and click on Stitch Settings. Here, scroll below and you will see the option to get API key. Click on Create Key, and after waiting for a few seconds, you can see that our API key has been generated. You can click here to copy it. You can also create more keys and delete the ones that you don't need. Now, this is a special key, and you should never share it with anyone. As you can see here, it clearly mentions that if these keys are exposed publicly, they may be automatically disabled to prevent misuse. So make sure you always keep them secure and avoid embedding them directly in any public code, like GitHub repositories or front-end files. Also, the Stitch API is governed by Google's terms of use and policies, so make sure you're using it accordingly. You can read more about the privacy notice and usage guidelines by clicking here if you want more details. And one more thing, if you ever feel like your key might have been exposed, you can always come back here, delete it, and generate a new one instantly. So yeah, that's everything you need to know about the Google Stitch API key. If you want a detailed step-by-step tutorial on how to build a website using AI, then you can check out this video right here. If you liked this video, do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching!